So ayan guys, let's continue our walkthrough para mapakita ko sa inyo yung aking interactive and dynamic sa page which is called the Gymmania page. So welcome. So dito maraming pagpipilian dito, pwede kang maglaro, pwede kang matuto, and pwede kang magsagot doon sa mga natutunan mo doon sa aking education mamaya. So let's start na sa ating guessing game. First game natin which is basically, it's a guessing game. Hulaan mo lang kung ano yung laro na ipapakita ko sa'yo. So, first picture, push-up. Tama. Okay. Feeling lunge. No, wrong, mali. It's a squat. Dito naman is, ito yung lunges. Then, the next one will be deadlift. So, okay. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Meron akong nag-gain 3 points. Thank you, webpage. Now, let's go to the workout builder. Dito naman guys, tuturuan ka niya kung paano kailangan mo matuto kung saan pasok yung mga exercises sa 3 categories: strength, cardio, and flexibility. So, first, push-up. Feeling ko flexibility siya. Ay, mali. Ayun, strength pala siya. So, next one naman, cardio. I think jumping jack. Tama, okay. And the last one will be, I think, yoga strength. No. Cardio? No. Flexibility. Okay, that's okay. So, ayun yung next game ko. Next naman is yung gym education. So, dito tayo matututo. So, kung gusto mong matuto about sa mga basic properties or basic lesson sa gym, ito yon, Gym Education Hub. So, you can select a different topic here: workout, gym manners, gym equipment, or nutrition. For the workout, ayan, makakita nyo yung mga different workout dyan. Then, when you click the workout, meron ka makakita ang description ng workout, then reps kung kailan mo siya gagawin o ilang beses mo siyang gagawin sa workout. So, let's go ahead. Here, sa gym manners naman, syempre, kailangan natin malaman yung mga gym manners. Yan, gym equipment. Yan. Then, nutrition. So for let's proceed na sa last, which is yung quiz ko. So when you play quiz, it will pop up a category. Kung ayaw nyo, pwede nyo X. Yan. Then, so sabihin natin diet. Let's go. Kung mag-pop up siya sa another window, yan, meron siyang timer. Then, what is the source of protein? Sabihin natin chicken. Yan. So sabihin natin mali yung sagot. Minerals. I-consider niya kung ano yung tamang sagot. Yan. Provide energy. So, tapusin lang natin to guys. Ayan. Pagkatapos, sasabihin niya yung score mo. Then, sa menu, pag nasagutan mo na yung quiz na yun, madi-disable na siya, bawal mo siyang gawin. So, ayan. Pwede ka na mag-click. Kung ayaw mo, X mo na lang ulit. Mag-restart yan. So, ayan guys. Thank you for listening. I hope nakasell ako na idea. And thank you and good luck.